Welcome back to my channel. Listen and practice your English. 50 questions and answers for beginners. Don't forget to repeat.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by my car.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is the weather like today?
It is raining.
What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sports is badminton.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak 3 languages.
What time do you wake up? In the morning?
I wake up at a.m.
What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend I was hanging out with my friends.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled abroad.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I ride my bicycle.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Can you draw or paint?
Yes, I like it.
Can you ski?
Yes, I can ski.
What do you do for a living?
I am a doctor.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is mango.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel and explore new places.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye, Jessica.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.